What's the status quo? What's the status quo, Uga? Okay, Ronny, by the way, has OG score 32k 250, but no score on emulation. So this is a board population score. Are you getting like wheels for the winter as well, or is that not a thing? Yeah, it's winterproof, yeah. I mean, snow is about to come. It's really cold already for this time of year, I think, personally. Why is Rolling Ronny so quiet? Let's give it a bit more spice. Okay, and let's start it. I mean, give it a bit more spice. It's still very quiet in relation to everything, but it's fine. Oh, wait. I think I can go on the power wires, maybe. No, you can't. But they're hidden items, so if you keep jumping, you find some. For example, here, see? These are the ones you want, but you want to avoid the birds taking a dump on you. That's pretty much a no-go. And we take those items as well, because we will need them. Oh, yeah. That's one that we cannot damage. That's okay, though. Oh, you got a quest, sir? Not at this level, it seems. Yes, the intro level is always chill. Okay, they are non-destructible. Non-destructible, non-fungible tokens. Lulem. These destructible? Oh yeah, they are. There we go. Get that money. Okay, no, they are to avoid. That's okay. Take that. You've just found a parts in the street with the following address on it. MSBB 13 Spencer. Guess there's a fine reward waiting for you if you deliver the lost property to its owner. We're gonna take it. But not. Oh! That was not what we wanted. Means we gotta find that address. For all. Jumping the right spots and the game is like, yeah, I'll take all my money. Oh, yeah. Thank you much for a puzzle. I lost it on my way home. Take these 35 pence, my friend. 35 pence, mate. Okay, actually, we're fine so far. Although with 3 pence, we could get a super jump. There we go. Because I'm gonna use up one right now. What? We're not allowed to touch the rails? Game? Yeah, I wanted money. Where's my money, Lebowski? So I guess we gotta... Okay, rolling... Like, his rollerblades don't do well with... That makes sense. Hi, Ronny. I've got a job for you. 40 pence for delivering this packet on fruits at 64 Spencer Street. Let's bargain. Come on. Okay, you get 4 pence extra. We do it then. Why didn't you say so right away? If I knew, you know, I'd be there already all day. So, mega jump. Give me the bomb. There we go. Okay. There we go. Give me some more time. You know what? We could be magnetic for a while. That won't hurt. But then again, we could have a super jump to get over here. Thank you. 40 pence. Oh, come on. Can we get into the house? Yes, we can. Oh, they drain life. Okay, I thought they're good for life. Well, now we know. Okay, then. I don't know if this was a good idea. I guess not. The best idea, at least. Beam me up, Scott. Go to the right here. There we go. Okay, yeah, I think... Oh, we reached it even. Never mind, then. Look at Ronny go. Oh, but these he can't do. Come on. There we go. There we go again. So the thing is, we would want to get on the fence so we can get the yellow one, but I think that's not working. Oh, we got a super jump here though. If we're really planning on, we can get it in theory. This time around, the books are non-damageable. There we go. Everything for a good score. Okay. We're gonna use that booth for the money. Oh, we get a super jump. We take him anytime we get him. You know what? Honk gives you invul. We got a new honk here, so why not? Some extra health. Oh, oh, okay. What chop you got? You got a chop for me? No? Okay. So we managed to finish the first level. This game is so huge, look at this. Ronny has made it to the next bus stop where he takes a bus to Richardson Street. The shortest way then leads through the sewerage. Thank you, Cake. Take care. See you later. Enjoy it. See the spikes at the top? It's a bit strong. Please be so kind and bring this puzzle to my colleague further ahead. 30 pence bargain. Okay, 4 pence extra. We'll do it. Can't reach that yet. It's fine. Sorry, sewer cat. But we got other plans. Anything else I want to collect this way? Yeah. Oh, come on. I fucked it. Was 15 extra diamonds, but tell you what, we'll get it another way as well, so it's okay. Alright. Oh, the stink cheese. That's kind of cool though. So let me get the invul for a quick moment here. And let me... Oh, come on. Banana peel, really? I just wanted the money, you know? This way I can get the bombs, so I don't mind. Okay, that's cool. You can get such cute music as well. I don't want to take a plunge here. Oh, give me that. That's good. That's good. Okay. We need that mega jump right now. Ooh. Oh, come on. That's taking time away. Okay, I did a cheese. Here you are. Instead of complete exhaustion, you ran out of energy or health, are not able to get to the next bus stop. Game over. What? 28,900. Okay. Using the cheese, basically... Oh, I think I hit escape, maybe, accidentally. Never mind. It is our population score. Which is fine enough, because this is a game I want to revisit anyways.